Would you look at her? Isn't she massive? That's me, Christina. Or as my ma used to call me, Sissy. We lived in the tenements. I'm sure all the babies were born at home then. I was named after me granny, Christina. But whenever my ma got mad at me, she'd say, Christina, get in here now. As I said, we came from the tenements and we moved into the flats. Jesus Christ, they were massive. Huge big blocks and loads of fields. Sure, I thought I was in another world. But it wasn't always fun living in the flats. I used to remember my man out in the balcony and she'd be screaming, Mrs. Murray! You get your dirty washing off my lines. She'd be shouting back from the other side, they're not your lions. They are. I bought that road. Now get your dirty washing off or I'll cut the bloody things down. She used to be bleeding murder over the washing lines. Sure, that was bad enough, but I hated Fridays. It was the end of the week and you knew exactly where they were going, especially if your dad was a drinker. Straight to the pub. You'd be going by and I could hear him. Albert, give us another one there, please. Should he be there for the night? Me ma be at home. She'd be up the wall. The coal man would be knocking. The check man would be knocking. Sure, she wouldn't have a shilling because he'd be down the pub with all the money. She'd be climbing the walls. Then she'd call me. Sissy, you go off to that pub. Tell your father I need my money. The check man's at been here. The coal man's at been here. And I don't have a shilling. Now get over and tell him to give me my money. God, my stomach used to be in knots. I hated going off to that smelly pub. Oh God, the smell in it. I'd get over and I'd say, Dan, my ma said you had to give me your wages, give me the money. The coal man's at been there and someone else has at been there. And she's no money. He'd say, I'll be over in a minute, I'm just finishing this one off. I'd go back and tell her, she'd send me back over. I'd be back and forth and back and forth. And every time I went back, he'd say, sure, when I finish this, if you have to buy another one. I mean, ma, oh gee, she'd be up the walls waiting for the money. She'd be poor little legs, used to be sore, running back and forth. Our washing day, or should I say my ma's washing day, was Wednesdays. She'd get all the kids together. They'd say, here, Sissy, you take them out for the day, get them out of my hair. Here, I'm going to take mine as well, Sissy. I need to do mine as well. Oh, I had the job all right. Keeping all these kids busy. Oh, sure wasn't it better than throwing that mangle on that washing machine? We made our own fun because we had nothing to play with. Not climb trees, do anything. We just got lost in the day. Sure, it started getting dark and I didn't want to go home. Didn't know what was waiting on me. Was me dad in bed? Was me ma still angry? The more I thought of it, the slower I got. Me ma was fuming. Where were you? Sissy, where are you? Nowhere, ma. Nowhere. Nowhere. That sounds wonderful. I'd love to be nowhere. Then she'd stomp off in her huts. Should I'd have to follow her? But I was lucky most nights. I just got the sharp end of her tongue. But I've seen plenty. Just close my eyes and shut my ears. Try to shut it all out. Sure, there's things we know today that we didn't know back then. Sure, wasn't that always the way? I hung around my friend Mary, and sure, we used to have great fun together. Oh, Dad was a pig. I don't know what happened to him now, but he was a drinker, and when he drank, he got worse. I think the drink, Nanny used to call it the demon drink. It affected us all. We all got trapped, caught up in that thing. Sure, it was an experience. It was life experience. And when I look at them today, we'd all come together sometimes, Mary and all, we'd all meet up. And we sit back and we think of the good and the bad times. And we just put them all together. And say, sure, they're gone. And make the best of what we have today.